Hi friends, I am starting an experiment growing three types of basil in AeroGarden sprout. Genovese basil and Thai basil are from AeroGarden and holy basil from my own seeds. I am dropping these pre-seeded Thai and Genovese basil pods straight into the bowl. For holy basil, I will drop 3 to 4 seeds into this grow your own pod from AeroGarden. Adding AeroGarden nutrition. It's good to go now. It's been 7 days. I see pretty good germination. I see only one seed sprouted in this Genovese basil pod, but a couple of seeds sprouted in Thai and holy basil pods. It's day 11. I see the real leaves started developing on holy basil, but no change on Thai or Genovese basil. It's been 30 days. Plants are coming up very nice. Holy basil in the center is better than the rest. Leaves are big and strong. Thai basil in the back is next and putting up nice leaves. This is supposed to be Genovese, but it is looking very similar to Thai basil in the back. Maybe AeroGarden messed up with this pod and put Thai basil seeds instead of Genovese seeds. I see three plants here and all three plants are looking like Thai basil. It's day 35. All plants are coming up very nice. Holy basil and Thai basil in the back are doing excellent. I can confirm that this is definitely Thai basil. Plants in this front pod are a bit weak and short compared to the rest. This is the reason I want to show you this experiment. Sprout is not a great system compared to other AeroGardens. We have to use Sprout selectively. I think the light may be a bit weak in the front. It's day 51. Holy basil is a nice bush now. Thai basil plants also coming up nice. I saw Thai basil grown much better in harvest compared to this sprout. Sprout's configuration is bit low. That's why plants grow bit slow in this model. It's day 57. Plants are producing lot of leaves. Look at this huge leaf. Here is one more. Thai basil is also putting few branches and a nice leaves. I am harvesting about 10 to 15 leaves every 2 days from this holy basil. I see it's producing flowers as well. Since my goal is to harvest only leaves, not flowers, I am going to cut these flowers so that plants put their energy to produce more leaves. Day 60. Plants are producing leaves as I harvest and doing great. In case you wonder how I use holy basil, here are my primary uses. Number 1. Just eat raw. Every other day, just harvest 4 to 5 leaves and eat as soon as I wake up. There are plenty of benefits eating raw on empty stomach. Number 2. Infused water. Just to drop 5 to 6 leaves in a glass of water and let it sit overnight. Then remove the leaves and enjoy the infused water. Number 3. Basil ginger herbal tea. Just boil water and add a small piece of ginger and few holy basil leaves. Let it continue boiling for 2 to 3 minutes and then simmer for another 2 minutes. Filter it and enjoy. Add honey if you prefer. Add flavor to my chai latte. Just add some leaves to my daily chai latte or tea. Holy basil adds a great flavor to my tea. Number 5. Cooking. I sometimes use this as a replacement for Thai basil. Wherever I use Thai basil, I can substitute with holy basil. That will be all. Thank you for watching my video.